Hi all, I wanted to make a quick video that will help in swing trading or positional trading. Before I begin, I would like to mention that this is an educational channel. All content over here is for the sake of education. Kindly read the disclaimer that you see on the screen and in the description below. With that said, let's proceed. So guys, we will take a fresh look at things. We'll be on the daily view. On the right hand side, I've got Nifty 50 participants. That means stocks which are generally there on the Nifty 50. This was made some time ago, so if there are some in and some out, I'm not too sure. This list I think was made about a year back. All right, so we are on the daily time frame, and we are going to add indicators. Now the indicators that I'm going to add are basic indicators. They are available on all platforms. You don't need any special TradingView paid account to do this. You can do this on TradingView. TradingView will not allow it because we are using 3 indicators, but you can use this on any platform. Even the broker platform that brokers provide you, these indicators are available. All right, so with that said, let us go. The first indicator is a very simple moving average. This one, moving average simple. We click that 2 times. All right, now my default moving average is saved at 89, but I will make one of them 69 and I will change the color. All right, color I will make it blue. Okay, so now I've got 2 SMAs, both with basic standard settings. Only difference is I've not made any changes below. One is at 69 and the other is at 89. I think SMA generally comes with 7 or 9 as default value. I'm not using the default value. I'm using 69 and 89. All right, apart from that, I'm not making any changes. Only the length and the colors. You can use whatever colors you want. Let me make this simpler so that we can understand it further. 69, I will make it blue, and 89 I will make it white so that it's easier for us to understand. All right, so the 89 SMA is white and the 69 SMA is blue. Apart from this, we will use a simple RSI, relative strength index. We are just going to, this is my default settings, but I'm not going to use my default settings. Generally I use RSI for upper and lower boundaries along with other indicators. I will reset RSI. All right, and then I will make the required changes. I want the RSI, I don't want the RSI MA, I don't want upper Bollinger Band, I don't want lower, I don't want this, I don't want this, I don't want this, I don't want this. I want the upper band. I will make this band white. Okay, I'll make it a little more visible. Maybe that will do. Yeah, that should do. And I don't even need the middle band, lower band, this. So what are the things? I'm only using the RSI upper band. I will change the value to 60. All right, and the line thickness is okay at 1. Maybe I'll make it a little brighter. And this RSI also, I will make it a little more visible. So I'll probably use it like this. All right, I've chosen a little brighter color, or maybe this will do. This color will do, and I've made it a little bolder. So thickness is 2. That's it. Now the strategy is very simple, guys. We need to wait for the RSI to go above 60, and we need to wait for the line to go above 69 and 89. We will only enter into the trade once the chart has gone above 69 and 89 collectively, and at the bottom RSI has gone above 60. So in my case, this Coforge, if you see, the buying signal is over here. It's gone up, it's consolidated, and I think it's going to go up further. TCS, we get a buying signal over here, but then it flops. This generally happens. All right, it'll go down and it'll go up again. Generally 69, 89 breaks out, it'll consolidate, go down and break out again. Now when you look at Z, this is a perfect example of how sometimes signals can be misleading. This is a perfect example of where we should have entered. 69 and 89 is both covered. Here we go above 60 as well, but then Z falls. for whatever reason, and it's trying to now again do that. It's going to break out of 69 and 89. In fact, it is already done. We are just waiting for the RSI at the bottom to cross 60. Z is a tricky stock, so be a little mindful of that. Manappuram, you see, breaks out 69, 89, both broken out over here. Over here, it crosses the RSI 60. Boom, it goes up. How many points? From here to here. On a 200 and the price where where it broke out was about 185.90, and currently it's at 223, so about 38 rupees up. Not bad. That's over a 10% this thing return. Birla gave a signal over here, and this happened with all tech stocks. Falls down again. It has crossed the RSI of 60, and this time it's available above 69 and 89. Emphas, same thing. All these tech stocks are doing the same thing. Here it's broken out. You see 69, 89 both are crossed. Here RSI has gone above 60. It comes down to retest the RSI. It's again breaking out. So I think there is little more rally left in tech stocks. All right. Wipro breaks out over here, goes above the 60, goes above the 69 and 89. It does not consolidate too much as say a Coforge or a TCS, holds that line, and boom, it climbs. So from year to year, Wipro has gone on to climb about 69 rupees. Not bad at all. All right. That's more than 10%. Persistent Systems crosses 69 and 89. Here it crosses a 60 RSI also, and it goes boom. It's gone up by about 921 rupees till now, which is over 10%. All right. OFSS. I don't know why the 89 is not working on this particular one, so we'll skip it. FSL, First Source, 69, 89, both are crossed over here. RSI goes above 60, boom, it goes up. From here, the rally happens. It's 56 rupees up on a 249 stock. That is more than 10%. Naukri, it's actually over here where it's gone up. This is a complex chart. Here it tries to break down, but I would have, if I was here, I would have taken this and exited over here somewhere, called it a day, done. That's a 1,000 rupees move on a stock which is trading at that point of time it was trading at 5,200. I would have logged out at about 6,200, more than 10%. Dalmia Bharat, very interesting, guys. The breakout is just happening now. All right. Keep this in your watch list. Dalmia Bharat, it has just crossed 60 and it's just crossed 69.89. Infi, it's crossed 69.89 over here at 1530 levels. Currently it's at 711. More than 10%. All right. So we need to wait for 69 and 89 to be crossed, and the RSI needs to be above 60. Same thing over here. HCL, it is crossed 69, 89 over here. RSI is above 60. This may travel. LTIM, I think that's LNT or whatever, Mindtree. LT Mindtree, all right. It breaks out 69 and 89 over here. RSI goes above 60. Boom. It's already about 600 rupees up from that level. So about a 10% return. And so on and so forth, guys. We can go on and on about this chart. Tech Mahindra breaks out of 69 and 89 over here. Goes up, boom, 215 rupees up over here. At it was at about 1250, I think, over here, 1280. So it's given more than 10% for sure. This is going up now. 69 and 89 is broken up over here. It went sideways. I think this has got the potential to go up. GMM, Fordeler, all right. LTTS, it's just about breaking out of 69 and 89. Keep it on your watch list. RSI is yet to break. If RSI breaks, it will continue the growth. All right. So on and so forth, guys. Now, a couple of things that you need to remember is, do not use this strategy to short. As you noticed, all the illustrations I've shown is just for going long. Now you can tell that, I can just reverse this and go short. No, don't do that. For reversal or people who like to short, I'll probably make another video, but this is not a video to short. This is only for taking a long stance. Now, how much should you wait to book the profits? Depends on your comfort level, how comfortable you are. Me personally, I don't wait for that. I don't wait for 6 to 8 weeks and all of that. Whenever I feel I've made a healthy return, I try to get out of the stock as early as possible. But that's just me. All right, you can be different to me. I would rather make some profit, move on, find the next stock to find the breakout and make some money on that, rather than holding one stock for like 6 months trying to juice it out completely. But that also is a valid strategy. You can be someone who wants to juice out the best from one stock. I don't. I make a small return and I try to find the next stock that is breaking out. So that is the two different approaches that you can have. See, Crompton over here breaks out over here, goes above 69.89 from year to year. 107 rupees on a it was at 296 rupees, more than 20% return. How many days did it take? Let me just calculate. Where is the date range? Okay, so from year to year, how many days? 19 days. That's it. In 19 days, it gave a 20% return. Isn't that simply beautiful? So it depends. Everything may not give you the same kind of returns. On some strategies, you feel more comfortable holding it for longer. On some, you don't. See this Dr. Reddy's breaks out over here, 69.89, both combined breakout over here. Our entry should have been over here. And currently, it's gone above by 575 rupees till now. All right. When it broke out, it was 600,000. So about 7-8% return in how many days? In 11 bars. So that means since we're on the daily time frame, 11 days. Not bad at all, guys. But then again, somebody like me will take that money and try to move on to the next stock. Other people may want to hold for a nice 10, 12, 15% return. That depends on, what your outlook is. For me, if it's going from 60 to 70, 75, 80, I am out at about 80 RSI. I am out. All right. Other people may not be out. So that depends. Tata Consumer, it's trying to break out of the RSI 60 and trying to go up over here above 69 and 89 also. We should keep this in our watch list. See, when bad news will come and when the stock market will start going lower, and at that point of time, you'll find the consumer stocks picking up. That is generally how I think it works in my view. Here you see Atul. 69.89 breaks out over here. Stock is at 6,000 rupees. Currently, it's at 6,900 rupees. From year to year, that's about 882 rupees. How many days did it take for it to do that? 19 days. Not bad at all. More than 10% returns. Chambal Fertilizer, 69.89 breaks out over here. So up entry would have not been here. It would have been over here. And boom. That's like a 29-30% return, guys. I don't know about you guys. I would have been happy with 10-15% return and I would have got out. Some people will not have that view. That's fine. Intellect is struggling. It breaks out of 69.89 over here, but then you see sideways. This again goes to show the strategy can be very good, but nothing can work 100%. All right. You can have a strike rate of 70-80%. And that's a good strike rate, but don't expect any strategy to work 100%. In this chart, exceptions were IntelliConnect. It's gone sideways. Z was a good example. It perfect breakout, but then it falls lower. TCS breaks out, goes down, again retest the 69.89 and is again breaking out. So you see, there are a couple of exceptions, but on a general note, if the strategy works about 70 or 80% of the time, that means that strategy is good. Rest is left to our expertise. All right. So I'll not make this video any longer, guys. I had a few requests, people asking for swing strategy. So I wanted to throw it out and I wanted it to be very simple so that everybody can gain from it, even people who don't have the paid subscription of TradingView. This 3 indicators will work on all platforms. All trading platforms has RSI and simple moving average. All right. So thank you so much for watching, guys. If you liked the video, kindly like and subscribe to our channel. Share the video with your family and friends. Please give this video a like. That's my humble request to you. The more you like, the more our channel grows. Subscribe to our free Telegram channel as well. The link is given in the description below in all our videos. Thanks again. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.